I'm going to show you how to make vinegar fried chicken.
The drumsticks are deep fried to golden perfection, then coated with a flavorful white rice vinegar sauce. Find more information at the end of the video. Start by marinating 2 pounds of chicken drumsticks with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix well. Shaoxing cooking wine is a staple in Chinese cooking. It enhances the umami flavor of dishes and tenderizes the meat. Let the chicken rest while preparing the other ingredients. Mince 4 garlic cloves. Chop 1 mint or hot chili into small pieces. Now, we make the coating sauce. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well to dissolve the cornstarch. Then add half cup of water. Mix again. Coat the drumsticks with half cup of potato starch, a little at a time, ensuring each piece is covered. The potato starch creates a crispy crust that helps keep the chicken juices during frying. Later, it will absorb the coating sauce. Heat the oil on high heat. To check it, dip a wooden chopstick into the oil. If bubbles form around it, the oil is hot enough, around 340 degrees. Carefully put the drumstick into the oil. If your pan is small, fry them in 2 batches. Fry the chicken for 15 minutes on high heat, stirring twice for even cooking. Once golden and crispy, remove the drumstick and place them on a rack. In a pan heated over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the minced garlic and stir. Once the garlic starts to golden, give the sauce a quick stir and pour it. Stir occasionally for 1 minute and 30 seconds. The cornstarch will thicken the sauce, making it smooth, glossy, and perfect to coating. Add the fried drumsticks and stir for 20 seconds to coat them evenly with the sauce. The fried chicken with white rice vinegar is ready. Sprinkle the chili pieces. Bon appétit! The sweet and tangy glaze from the rice vinegar perfectly complements the juicy, tender chicken. White rice vinegar is an essential ingredient in Chinese cuisine. It is obtained by fermenting rice. It is milder and brings less acidity than Western vinegars, with a slightly sweet note from the rice. As it is translucent, it can be used without altering the appearance of the dishes. White rice vinegar is used as a seasoning for sushi rice in Japan. In dipping sauces, for example, mixed with salt, garlic and chili, it will work wonders to enhance meats or fish. In some marinades, to enhance and tenderize meats. To prepare vegetable pickles, where it serves as both a preservative and flavor. In Chinese cuisine, it helps balance flavors to make sweet and sour dishes as the general sauce chicken. You can replace it with white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, but the flavors will be different. For Shaoxing cooking wine, you can replace it with a dry white wine. For an alcohol-free solution, mix half teaspoon of white rice vinegar, half tablespoon of grape juice, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of sugar. You get the equivalent of 1 tablespoon. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish.